Halor ke Jingkhlad iwe Longkmie iba Armet Dangar Phc Dangshen u Dr. Synrang Batingen Wajri ulami Shekmat ban Pinshai Halor ke Jingtohkit MLA ke Mau Synram uba Hima Shangpliang u Dr. Wajri ulong bagni ke Jingja kablaja Dangar Phc kalong ke Besngosi Henry Omla apat ban Chukenno yeki nongtre ke Phc klem da wat bha yeki Jingshisha Ulong badai ban peloy ke Jingtohkit Kaba Bniah kenang mantip ba ke Jingkhlad ini Longkmie ke dei na ke Jingtorti ke nongtre ke Phc ne ke dei ke Jingja kabamla ban lain.
What happened in that PHC is very unfortunate. The death of that woman, young woman, and those lives are always precious. And it was an avoidable death. So whether there was negligence or not, that has to be investigated, properly investigated by the proper authorities and people involved, and then accordingly let that go take its own course. So what we see in that is a very sad situation where the MLA had to question those staffs, the nurses and the doctors, and it gives you a picture that they were already guilty. You can't. It's very sad that they do that. That is not nice. It's really not nice, because we don't know what exactly happened. We don't know how the patient died, and whether it was somebody's fault or it was, we can't start blaming people right now. So let the facts come, and then we'll start talking about who is responsible with.
Ulapan pauru by Longkmie balaklar idane ke Jingshitam ha kapor ba Armet baruang ba omdan ke PHC ha kajala kabala ban sumari kumkani ka case namar ke Jingduna ha kaliang kitar ha ki PHC.
But what we do know is that if the patient had a complicated pregnancy and the childbirth was difficult, then there is no PHC in Meghalaya that can handle that kind of a pregnancy. You can call 1,000 doctors at that PHC. None of them will be able to do anything with that case, because the fact is there is nothing there to help that woman in terms of infrastructure.
Ulo ang bakani kamde kasin kambaning kong ha kabakum kini ki Jingja kija kumta uang baka sarkar ka deban kintiu bat pinbahai ki Jingdar kam baro ha katanat ka koi ka kya.
The health system in Meghalaya is very sad, and many more. We keep seeing a lot of these cases. It's actually good that these things are coming up. In one way, it is good that the MLA has raised up this issue, because it is a very important issue. Although we are not happy with the way he did it, but it is definitely an issue that has to be tackled. It's not just this time is happening. It's happening every time. There are people who have to walk 2-3 hours just to go to a PHC. They die just because they have a diarrhea and they can't reach the PHC, and by the time they reach there, they're too dehydrated, and it's very difficult to save them. So the government has to improve the health system.